Welcome to my tutorial about eQuizshow. eQuizshow is an online tool that allows anybody to easily set up a Jeopardy-style quiz show within a matter of minutes. It has the capability to track the score of up to 6 teams or even no teams at all. It has the point system that Jeopardy employs, and it is a completely free browser-based software. So what can you use this for? I think that this would mostly be used for a fun and competitive way to review for a test or presentation, but it's such a versatile learning resource that it can be used for almost anything. So let's jump into it. How do we use this program? Well, first of all, you want to go to eQuizshow.com. Then locate the Create a Quiz Show box on the right side of your screen. Type in a title for your quiz and a password to keep it secure. Now this is your main interface. Notice at the top there are 5 category titles in white, and they can contain up to 49 characters. The space below it are the questions for each category. The ones at the top are worth 100 points, then below it they are worth 200 and 300, 400, 500, etc. in classic Jeopardy style. Now if you click the question box, you will see 2 other boxes. On the top is the question box and the bottom is the answer box. The question and answer boxes can fit over 1,000 words each, but short and sweet questions are best as to not bog out the user interface. If at any time during this step of the quiz you forget how many points the question was worth, then direct your attention to the upper left corner of your screen where it clearly tells you that. So once you have entered your question as well as the answer, such as how many legs does SpongeBob have? And the answer would be 2. You can click Save and Continue. And if you have accidentally made a typo or some other error, don't worry because you can just click the box and fix it later. Remember that the questions on the top row are worth 100 points and so should have the easiest questions, and the questions on the bottom are worth 500, so they should be the hardest. Once you've completed your quiz, go to the bottom of your web page and click Save and Submit. So now let's go over how to play your quiz. First of all, go back to the eQuizshow homepage and then locate the Browse button. Search for the title of your quiz, which for me was Tutorial. Locate which quiz is yours, and you will see 3 buttons. There's a play button, an edit button, and a print button. The play button, which we will show you in a second, is what you click if you wish to conduct your quiz show via the website. The edit button allows you to type in the password that you set earlier to revise or update your quiz, and the print button allows you to view all of the questions and answers in the event that you want to conduct this quiz differently. Now, select the amount of teams you want to play with from the drop-down menu. For our purposes, we will choose 2 teams. Then press play. You will now see the product of all of our work. You will see the 2 question and answer boxes on the bottom, and they will give you how many points. So now let's go over how to play your quiz. First of all, go back to the eQuizshow homepage, click Browse, and then type the title of your quiz, which for me was Tutorial. Locate your quiz, and then you will see 3 buttons. The play button, which we will show you in a second, the edit button, and the print button. The edit button allows you to type in your password that you set earlier to edit your quiz show, and the print button allows you to view the questions and answers on a piece of paper if you wish to conduct your quiz differently. Now, Select how many teams you wish to play with, and then press play. You will now see the product of all of your work. Now let's review. Step 1. What do you do when you get to eQuizshow.com? What do you have to fill in afterwards? If you said this, then you would be correct. Step 2. What are the text boxes on the very top for? How many characters can they fit? If you said this, then you are correct. Step 3. What classic game show is this website based off of? How much are the questions for each row worth from top to bottom? If you guessed this, then you would be correct. Step 4. When you complete quiz, what do you do? If you said this, then you would be correct. And finally, conclusion. Did you find this tutorial helpful? That's really up to you to decide. Now that concludes our tutorial for eQuizshow.com. If you liked it, then leave a like and be sure to click the link in the description to see more student tutorials. Thanks for watching.